A very happy Eid Mubarak. VoicePK.net is celebrating the heroes of the lockdown. We are bringing you stories all through this week of Pakistanis who helped one another during this time of crisis and pandemic. Today, we bring you the story of Aisha Chundrigar, who is an animal rights activist, but she calls herself just a decent person. During the lockdown, hundreds of animals in Empress Market, Karachi and Tullington Market in Lahore were left abandoned by their owners without food or water. The shutters were shut and the animals could be heard wailing. Some days later, when Aisha Chundrigar rescued them, several had died and others were critically ill. We now will introduce you to Aisha Chundrigar, who runs her own foundation, the Aisha Chundrigar Foundation for Animals, and really is the hero of the animal world.
We have Miss Aisha Chundrigar with us today, and she is animal rights activist. और आज हम इनसे पूछेंगे कि बेसिकली कोरोना वायरस के दिनों में इन्होंने बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को रेस्क्यू किया है कराची की पेट्स मार्केट से। तो थोड़ा सा उस सवाल से बात करेंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले आयशा आप हमें ये बता दें कि ये आपने काम किस तरह से आपके जहन में आइडिया आया कि पेट्स रेस्क्यू करना और जो स्ट्रे एनिमल्स होते हैं खासतौर पे कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, इनको आपने किस तरह से ये काम आपने स्टार्ट किया?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं अपने आप को एनिमल राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट नहीं बताती. I'm just a regular decent human being and it's good to do the right thing. And the right thing is कि हमको सबकी सफरिंग को देखना होता है. इसलिए एक चीज़ जो हम सब इक्वल है इंसान और एनिमल इज़ दैट हम सब सफ़र करते हैं. तो जब मैंने ये फाउंडेशन शुरू की थी 6 साल पहले, मेरा बस वही मकसद था कि मुझे आवाज़ देनी है टू ऑल ऑफ दोज़ हू सफ़र इन आवर सोसाइटी, जिनको कोई अटेंशन नहीं मिलती या उन पे कोई ध्यान नहीं देता, and their suffering is ignored. So that is human or animal. It's not one or the other for me. It's about anyone and everyone who suffers. So that is the philosophy behind the foundation and the work that I do, which is more than अब एक shelter ही नहीं है, ये एक movement बना है, एक animal rights का. So this is what I am hoping for कि it's ये animal rights का ही नहीं है, it's a movement of kindness. Kindness and compassion are two things जो हमारे society में बहुत कम हम देखते हैं. बहुत surface level यहाँ पे चीज़ें होती हैं और यहाँ पे लोग इतना सोचते नहीं हैं about what is true morality, what is really important in life. So my message is also to make people think and about to look at life differently, to correct some wrongs that we have been doing. और शायद हमको पता भी नहीं है कि वो हमारे wrongs है. Like for example, there's selective empathy. Selective empathy ये होती है कि we believe that we should be compassionate towards some but not to others. Who are we to decide that? You know, so ये बहुत questions है जो हमको पूछते हैं because हमारी ये ज़िंदगी generally में बहुत unexamined हम ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं. मैं एक psychotherapist भी हूँ, मैं एक humanistic psychotherapist हूँ, तो anyway human behavior is my specialty. So it's a very interesting combination to see how इंसान जो particularly हमारी society में होते हैं वो animal से कैसे interact करते हैं. तो इन जनरल दिस इज़ व्हाट आवर कॉजेज़। हमने अभी तक 5000 से ज़्यादा एनिमल्स को रेस्क्यू किया है। मेरी एक शेल्टर है, सैंक्चुरी, रेस्क्यू सर्विस, हॉस्पिटल, ओल्ड एज होम, स्पेशल नीड्स होम, ऑर्फनेज, यू नेम इट। वो हमारा एक ऑपरेशन है कराची में which covers all of this. So as far as the pet markets go, the reason मैंने इसके बारे में सोचा था because I've of course been to these markets before. मैंने देखा है कि वो कैसी हालत में उन animals को रखते हैं on a regular basis. Regular basis पे the animals are kept so badly. I mean छोटे से पिंजरे में 4 से 5 बिल्लियाँ बंद है, एक चिड़िए के पिंजरे में एक कुत्ता बंद हुआ है. I mean in general they are so bad. एंड ये हमारे मेन रोड्स पे है, सबको पता है, एम्प्रेस मार्केट का सबको पता था, लेकिन ऐसा कोई इनके बारे में कुछ ऐसा कर नहीं सकते और कुछ किया नहीं, अच्छी कर सकते हैं, कुछ किया नहीं अभी तक। लेकिन मुझे ये भी मैंने सोचा था कि जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था कि मुझे पता था कि मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल था कि मेरी टीम को हमको हमारे शेल्टर जाना है, वहाँ पे हमारे एनिमल्स का ख्याल करना है। मेरे 600 से ज़्यादा एनिमल्स हैं, हर दिन न्यू रेस्क्यूज कम इन, तो माइन इज़ ऑल्सो हॉस्पिटल, राइट, एंड माई वर्क डजंट स्टॉप. So I know what how difficult it was to organize, arrange, make sure that we were okay, that we could go back and forth, because मुझे कभी ये feeling मेरे animals को नहीं देनी थी कि something is wrong, इसी ये उनकी गलती तो नहीं है, so they really shouldn't suffer. तो मैंने उसी टाइम पे ये सोचा था और मैंने एक सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट लगाया था कि what is going on in the pet shops, and I was really worried because I thought कि on a regular day अगर वो उनका कोई ख्याल नहीं करता, they're barely ever let out of their cages. So in these lockdown days I was about 100% sure that they were just going to be left in the cages, in the shuttered shops to suffer. Although and the unfortunate thing was that I turned out to be right, because that was what actually was the case once we got over there. So government of Sindh was really helpful. I contacted the relevant people, DC South, the assistant commissioners यहाँ पे, वो सब वो हमारी मदद की. हमने एक survey किया with all the animal rescuers, and in Karachi, lovely volunteers and all. Everyone wanted to help with this, so that was really good. And because achanak se, of course, everyone did think, right, कि what is going on? Because in lockdown, of course, this is so new to human beings as well. We were so worried about ourselves, but the second everyone heard कि animals का क्या होगा, everyone was amazing and everyone really wanted to help, so that was really good. जब हम वहाँ पे पहुँचे थे, I guess it was as bad, but it was really bad seeing it in person. For everyone who went there, I was in quarantine myself for the first day of the survey. तो मैं पहले दिन नहीं गई थी. Second day I dropped by, but because my quarantine had finished. But anyway, so फिर I was waiting at the shelter के animals वहाँ पे आ जाए from the shops and all, so we could get them already. So the condition was really bad. The जो dead animals ज़मीन पे 70% तो मरे हुए थे. Their bodies were lying on the floor. सब जगह there was just waste and filth, because animals को 10 दिन lockdown का, I think 21st को lockdown शुरू हुआ था, तो 31st को 31st को shops, I think 30th को shops खुली थी, 31st को we got them out roughly. तो आप सोचे कि for about 10 days, 9 to 10 days, the animals were kept in complete darkness, no ventilation, no air, suffocation, 3-4 of them cramped in one cage together. They were living in their own filth. कोई खाना नहीं, कोई पानी नहीं. I don't know कि अभी वो जिंदा कैसे थे, because on a regular basis उनको कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है, तो I don't know कि वो कैसा जिंदा थे, the ones that we rescued. Roughly I think in total about 70 animals बाहर निकले, जो shopkeepers ने हमको दिए थे. उनकी the situation, their health and their condition was really bad. So the shopkeepers gave us those, लेकिन shopkeepers ने birds को रखा है, इसलिए उन्होंने उस time पे बोला था कि that's okay, we'll take the birds home and take care of them. Which I just thought, why didn't they do that before? It didn't make any sense. और फिर government के vets भी बहुत helpful थे. वो आए थे to check the animals and all. And in fact, since then, जब से हमने इन animals को निकाला था, the government vets have gone at least 3 to 4 times to check the condition of the birds who are there.